We are at the official new spot for the GoPowerSports headquarters. For a while now, GoPowerSports has been growing, so thank you so much to the customers for supporting us all these years. GoPowerSports has overgrown where it is at. We're spread out in 3 different locations. So now we bought a piece of property out in Boyd, Texas, outside of city limits. We're on 15 acres right here, and this is a 50,000 square foot building that we're working on. The dirt guys, so they've been at it for 5 days, and they've already done a ton. I live right over that way, so I pass by this to and from work, and I've been checking on it every morning and every night, and the progress that they're making is just crazy. These guys are working 7 days a week, 12 to 14-hour days. Because, you know, January in Texas, we're fighting the weather, we're fighting rain. So his dirt guys are dialed in, getting as much done as possible. And he's hoping that dirt work will be finished next week. Right after that, we'll frame up for the slab. The slab's going to be quite an endeavor. That might take, 3 weeks just to frame it up. We're definitely going to film the pour process. It's going to be a 24-hour continuous pour. So they're going to pour the whole slab all in one go. That's going to be pretty cool. That'll be a good time lapse. So Jason, why don't you take it over to the new product we got coming?
Happy New Year, Bernie. What's up, bro?
Nada, chilling. What do we got going on? Like, there's a lot of stuff in here that people are working on.
We have new year, new projects. You gotta check everything we got going. So y'all are familiar with our Bolt Go-Kart. Bolt Together, the Bolt Together Go-Kart. Bolt Together, the brand new Bolt Go-Kart kit.
Yeah, this is that.
So yeah, we had the Bolt Go-Kart. So for this year, we're thinking of doing the double-seater Bolt Go-Kart. This is a prototype. You're gonna see some some flooring that's not all the way done yet. This was us just to say, hey, is this doable? Will this look right? I think we've got a winner. So we're gonna be drawing this up so we'll have a brand new double-seater Bolt Go-Kart for you this year.
Yeah, let's go to the electric
Okay.
first. Because this is a kit that is going on a few different things, right?
Yeah, so we basically have 3 kits that we're looking to do. Right now, this is our Bolt Go-Kart. Of course, there's the double-seater, here's the single-seater, and this is very crudely put together, but we wanted just to test out the mechanics of it all. So with the huge battery, it's got pretty good capacity on it. This thing rips. It has lights that can be mounted to it.
Dang.
The Go pedal on here is nuts. This thing is super fast. It has reverse too. And if you wanted to sit there and do donuts in the parking lot, man, this thing has so much power that this is going to be great. So Bolt Go-Kart can truly live up to its name. Bolt, you not only do you bolt this together, but you can use the electricity bolts to get you going.
That was the whole point. That was the end goal.
Yeah, so we have 3 models. So the Bolt Go-Kart will be one. And then we're going to go over to the Mega Moto 80, which we're working on this kit. It won't look like this.
That's the same kit that's on here, or is that different?
Oh snap, yeah, this would be it. This is the cleaner Mega Moto 80. Huge battery, tons of voltage.
This looks clean.
Yeah, this is super sweet. I can't wait to see it with the Super 80, with the electrical kit. But we've been working on the 80. And then Taylor has a Mega Moto 212 with the battery kit in it, and it is awesome. It is super silent. It can climb just about anything. I want to see if it can do Mega Moto Mountain.
Doing a 180 180 practice run with all of those would be kind of cool.
Yeah, so it's not going to be like your cheap kid, like, oh, so I think I want to dabble in electric. This is more for those like, oh, I know what's out there. I want some power. This is a great value for what I'm getting. This thing's going to get me up and winning something here. So yeah, that's our heart for all the electrical kits. So yeah, then we have our prototype off-road Rascal. It's kind of like an MB200 just as a frame. It's going to be a whole lot beefier. It's going to be a whole lot more modular. And we get so many questions of people saying, hey, can I get the MB200 without the tires and wheels and all that? And we don't. We get that as a complete kit. For those who are just looking for a big frame to try to win the GPS 180, we've got you set. So keep an eye out for that kit coming out. We don't even have a name for it yet.
No. Do you have a name for this thing?
Yes. So we have teamed up with our buddy Bobby from Metal Fab Creations, and we have our drift quad, I guess is what we're going with. Drift quad because you could drift it. It'd be nice to see this thing with some PVC little tubes on the back, but with the 15-inch street tires, this thing is pretty sweet. We've had this for like the last year, and it is tons of fun. Holds our uni tank, holds our 15-inch seat, the tilt motor mount if you wanted to run a torque converter kit, and this thing's a lot of fun. I think this might be our biggest seller for 2026, just because go-karts are great, but they're kind of big. Mini bikes are great, but what if your kiddo falls off? So now you have a kind of in between, it's like a mixture of the two. Something for everyone in the family.
Thanks for showing us what we got here.
This is just a small slice of life.
Man.
So right now what we're doing is the guys are doing a little challenge with our new system, Shirley. For every order they get today, Curtis is promising $5 cash. And then top seller's gonna get an extra 100. So who y'all rooting for?
Yeah. So who got the first one though?
Devin!
Big Devin. Was it Spanish too or what? Are you flexing right now? Or you just stand?
What's up, guys? How y'all doing?
Are you fasting too?
Am I fasting? No, I'm failing.
You're failing.
I'm failing hard. I'm fast fooding. Is
Fast
what I'm
food.
doing.
Jason got tired of being told he had low T.
Not anymore.
You gotta do reps of 50, not 10.
What's up, guys? Jason over at GoPower Sports. It's another day in the life.
What are we doing right now?
100 push-ups.
100.
So we have a special day out here at GoPower Sports. The guys are testing out our in-house, our in-store app, which is called Shirley OS, and hopefully it'll make these phone calls a whole lot easier. We get a lot of complaints of people not able to reach us and get in. Shirley will hopefully help us get a whole lot quicker and a lot more accurate. So right now we're just looking over everyone's shoulder, looking to see how the order's being placed on Shirley, and every order that goes through Shirley, getting $5. The salesman with the most Shirley orders today, you get an extra $100 bonus. Game on, bro. I'm trying to get on the phone.
We're doing this because we have people out in Vegas right now, right?
Yes, we have a team out there at a Shirley booth, and they want to show investors, hey, this is the way of the future. We need to get a bunch of orders in here in Texas through Shirley, so when the investors see it, they know how it works, that it's flawless, and that it's definitely going to help their customer retention.
How's it going, y'all? Welcome in.
Who's got the most sales?
What it do?
What's going on?
We are kind of standing by as our team is testing some new sales software and making sure if we bump into any errors, we can be there to support. So just hanging out, kicking it.
Tell me
Chatting
the
it up with the
significance,
team,
Shirley, between our old system and this new system. What is the biggest difference?
So Shirley is an all-in-one sales hub, essentially. It has all your calls, all of your customers, all of your orders, all in one place. Emails too. So that way you don't have to jump between 3 or 4 different tabs over and over again, keeping track of things. So these guys are able to work a little bit quicker, hopefully, and more efficiently. So that's the end goal.
So we can know that ours matches up.
I can't get over how fast it's going to be done. So last week he said, all right, guys, we're going to start on Monday. All of his guys came to him and said, well, let's just start right now. So they got the equipment out here and they started going. We've had, I think it was 9 dirt trucks that have dumped. Yesterday he had 110 trucks deliver dirt out here. We lucked out on this piece of property. Definitely a blessing from God. There was lots of prayer and fasting and lots of searching for this property. So thank you, Lord, that you blessed us with this.
You should probably ask for that truck.
Yes, the water truck, but it's flat. from the far corner over there to this corner was only 4 inches, and from here to there was 4 feet of drop. As flat as you can get in this area. I mean, you've seen how hilly the ranch is. It's hilly out here. So to have a nice piece of property that's this flat, it's just going smooth. So this is the warehouse side over here. Outbound is on that side of the building. Inbound is over here. All the warehouse guys are going to be working on this side of the building. So we'll walk you over here, show you where the showroom's going to go. So originally we were going to do 250 by 200, but the way it fit on this piece, we're doing the 250 foot this way. So it's 24-foot walls. So it's definitely going to be eye-catching.
I mean, compared to the rest of what you got around here.
Yes. It's going to look crazy. So the exterior of the building is like a dark charcoal gray. And then we've got 4 foot of black wainscot on the bottom, just kind of break up the gray. All the trim's going to be black. And then probably right about here is going to be GoPower Sports in big white letters, as big as the boss men are going to let me do it. I mean, I want big, big letters. Bright, bright white. I don't even know if we're going to need a street sign. So showroom's all right here. There's going to be windows on this side. Like I said, the big GoPower Sports sign. So when the sales guys open up every morning, they'll pull units out, stage the go-karts and mini bikes right here. Got another dirt truck. This is probably the 160th, 170th dirt truck. Maybe more, because yesterday was 110. I don't know how many are showing up today. Pretty much right here is where the front doors are going to be. We're going to have customer parking right here along the front of the building. You'll pull in right off 114, which is kind of it's turned into a major highway here in rural Texas. But yeah, so the showroom is roughly 4,000 square foot. You know, we have a lot of go-karts and mini bikes and dirt bikes to display. So we'll have all our sales guys in there, all the product display. We'll have parts displayed on the wall. So pretty much retail, R&D, marketing, the offices, they're all right here on this side of the building. Once you get past that, it's all warehouse. But this is so cool to see, dude. So like we already said, ton of changes coming for 2026. Stay tuned, keep up with the videos, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.